Hello everyone, I'm sure most of you have a big headache when it comes to choosing the right consultancy. If you made the decision that you want to study MBBS abroad, there are like, I don't know, hundreds, thousands of agencies. And how are you going to choose the right consultancy? First of all, when you are choosing the right consultancy, you should know who is that person, who is offering you something, and you should know that this person is somehow affiliated with the universities and that this company is actually registered. The second point is the students' review. You should find out if this company really has some kind of students, and you will be able to find out the reviews and make sure they're good and the students actually reach at that destination which was promised. The third part is experience. How many years has this company been working? Is it a company which just recently opened and is going to disappear in a few days? Or is it a company which is really well established and has been working for years? The fourth point, which facilities and what services is this consultancy offering to you? Is it just that they give you the visa and then you go and you'll be lost somewhere? Or is it a company who is going hand in hand with you and your child for the next years? So the other point is, have you asked yourself how many people are actually going through this consultancy and how many people are coming back as graduated doctors? That's a very important point. It doesn't help you if this consultancy is taking 1,000 students and so many of them are coming back. So you need to make sure that this agency actually produces quality doctors. And the next part, the last point I want to stress on is check the social media. Don't just check their numbers, how many subscribers they have or followers. Check their content. Is the content real? Is it stolen stuff? Is it bullshit stuff? Or can you actually see real students there? Okay guys, I hope you got some points now how to find the right consultancy. We are always there to help you further. Thank you very much. Bye bye.